Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to unbox the Anita that my friend got it for me. I would like to special thanks to Kenny and Emil for getting all this item all the way from Hong Kong and shipped to US. So this is what I got. This is the book, the mask, and tumbler. Let's start with the tumbler. So the tumbler is you can get it from the We Miss You Anita exhibitions. So all the money will go to all this tumbler sales. I think it's a limited edition, and then all the money will go to the charity donations. So this is how it looks like, the tumbler with Anita Mui, the last concert, her wedding gown. And this is like 16 ounce. It looks very amazing, well made. It's a Lumi inside. It's a traditional, like high quality tumbler, and they have a rubber seal here. I think this is like for non-slip if you put on table. Yeah, so not planning to use it, just FYI. It's gonna be connections. Yeah, this is a open and close it. It looks very high quality, but it's gonna be connection. I'm not gonna use it. So this is one of the tumbler, and it's come with a set of 2 at that exhibitions. So this is the second one. Let's take a look. Yep, so this is how it looks like. It comes with a stainless steel store, which can be reusable. And this is the longer version. This is a taller version of tumblers. If I look at it, you see the difference, the tall size. Yep, this is more like a cone shape. So that's how it looks. So this listing all the Anita back, all those CD album, the concert, the movie. I recognize a lot of them too. Even though I grew up in the 80s, but I watched most of them when I was little. And again, this is also a tumbler. If I open up, they have a little rubber seal with stainless steel inside. I think it will keep it warm. I don't know if it's gonna keep it warm or not, but doesn't matter. I'm not planning to use it anyway. And you can put a store here, drink it. Probably this is more like a Coke. So these are the 2 items now. Part of the relate to Anita movie. And the next thing, the souvenir from her movie is the mask from Mask On. So it says that level 2 mask with a pack of 3, and teach you how even they teach you how to use it too. Interesting, very detailed. So this is the poster that say We Miss You. And then let's open up, unbox one. Yeah, again, I'm not planning to use it, so I'm gonna take some time to open this. Okay, there we go. It looks like a fancy mask. It put on like a little chapbook, but it's like probably double size of the chapbook. So here say some wording. There we go. The Queen of Cantopop. So they have embossed font on here. You can feel the wording here. And then let's look inside. So it's come with a pack of 3. So kind of matching with the box color, like kind of like dark red. Not really. Well, you can see it. So even though the mask itself here on the corner says Anita, and then, well, I'm not gonna open it, so you're not gonna see me open one for sure. This is the best I can do, and it says We Miss You here. and for mask on here on the corner. And that's how it looks in the back. It looks very pretty box. Oh, well, I feel like, oh, there's some stuff inside too. It says Anita inside the box right here. So I feel like this is more like a big version of wallet. A woman purse with a wallet. You can stuck money here, put money here, you know. But of course that's not how you use it. But anyway, so this is the mask. And finally is the book. And I'm waiting the DVD to come out, even though I watched it at the movie theater. And so let's open up. Alright, let's see what this is inside. I wonder if I'm gonna see Anita Mui, like her actual real photo, or just all about Louisa, her photo from the movie. Eeh, having a hard time opening this, huh? Eeh, there we go. There we go. Here we go. So that's how it looks like from the back. And let's take a look inside of each pages. Oh, so it's talk about wording. First page, first few pages. Oh, so it looks like all about the movie, all those screen pictures. I remember all those scenes. And some description lines. So far it's all about the movie. Oh, I still remember this line when they talk about what English name I should give. Has to be start with the A. Wow, I think this book is so good. It's just kind of recap of from the movie. That's from her sister at the wedding. I still remember. Oh, that's at the hospital. So pretty much cover all the scene for the movie. Every single important scenes so far, all this picture and the description line. Oh, There's some poster, I guess. Ah, I wish they don't fold it, you know. Oh. Oh, that's good. That's the movie poster. You see right here. But unfortunately, they folded. I wish it's not being folded. Oh, at least I got something on the poster. Because I remember when I at the movie theater, the one in New York, they don't even have a poster or like a TV LCD saying that Showtime Anita at the theater, you know? So it's kind of feel like so hidden. Only tell you this is the room, movie room you should go to, and that's it. Nothing else, nothing outside saying that this is Anita movie box showing, you know? So at least I got some poster, even though it's floated, better than nothing. Oh, that's when she had the concert thing. I still remember I have the cassette tape for this concert. Back to the old days. Wow, so many pages. Hey, I feel like this book is worth to buy and connect it. It's like every single scene from the movie is just right here. Oh, so that is the final scene. So this section is mostly focus her relationship. So this is kind of interview questions for the actor, the producer, photography. Oh, I remember I watched this movie too when I was little. I remember this album too. So many memories back in the 80s. Those are historical timeline. And that's it of this book. Wow, so informative. Like all those, like every single scene from the movie. I think it's good to buy one for connecting as well, if anyone like interested. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next video.